how to post photos on TikTok. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, let's learn how to post photos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Open TikTok on your device, tap on the plus icon available at the bottom center, then tap on the images icon. If it's your first time, TikTok may ask for device permissions to access your images and videos. Grant all the necessary permissions. Then, your device gallery will open up. Here's something to note. By default, you will be in the All tab where both photos and videos are displayed. Since we only need photos at the moment, so tap on the Photos tab. Now you will see only the photos available on your device. You can choose to upload a single photo or multiple photos depending on your preference. To select a single photo, make sure the Select Multiple option at the bottom is unticked. However, uploading only one photo won't create a slideshow, also known as a carousel, as there won't be no next photo to display. If you want to create a slideshow or carousel, make sure to select multiple photos. So tap on the back arrow at the top. Now, to select multiple photos, ensure the Select Multiple option is ticked. Then, select multiple photos in the correct order that you want to post on TikTok. Keep in mind that, as of now, you can select a maximum of 35 photos. Once you have made your selection, tap the Next button. Then, you will land on TikTok's edit page. From here, you can change various post settings, share your video to other platforms, add text, stickers, effects, music and more. You can even trim or crop your footage if needed. For now, I will leave it as it is and proceed by tapping the Next button. Then, TikTok's video upload page will open up. From here, you can write a description and a title for your video. You can also add hashtags, mentions, link, adjust privacy settings and explore many more options. Once you have completed the necessary upload settings, finally tap the Post button. Then you will land on the home page. To view your recently uploaded photo slideshow or carousel, tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Then you will see your recent upload positioned next to the scheduled videos and above the other videos. Simply tap on it once to open and boom! You have successfully uploaded photos on TikTok. Since we uploaded multiple photos, we will see an image slideshow, also known as a carousel. You can simply swipe left to view the next photo. However, as mentioned earlier, you won't see a carousel or slideshow if you have uploaded only a single photo. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.